This is our door contact. This normally close. This is our camera. Camera has IN and ground. This is for the alarm in. Now we look at the software. This is the main menu of the software, the IBMS. Then we go, this is the camera viewing. Camera is working. This is the EMAP. You can select any map. Just need to put the camera. This is the camera and this is the alarm in. Alarm in is the door contact. This one. The camera is this one. Dome camera. Okay. Then this is the alarm events. As you can see the date, the time. This is the camera. This is the alarm input, the alarm in, the door contact. This one. So it's now in normally closed position. So you can disable the pop-up image and the sensor audio. Then you go to the event management. Camera event, you can see here alarm on EMAP, channel resource leakage, camera 1 for the camera event. See also the alarm input, enable, so it's a normally closed position. Triggering this A1 is the alarm. Camera 1, alarm EMAP, audible warning. There's the built-in alarm. Go to, now we will test the alarm. Go to EMAP. So you can edit this one. Want to change the colors. So let's try it now. Go to main preview. So as you can see, this is the camera, this is the alarm. It's the door contact. So you can see there, that is the alarm. It says that there's an alarm in that position. See, because I disengaged the alarm. Now I'll put it back. So any position will do. This, any orientation will do. At least it is touching. See, no more alarm. Again, when I remove it, I remove, I remove. Okay, I remove. See? This is how it works. So again, when I connect the two units, okay, okay,